Where is it? It's like right here. Where the fuck is it?
Apparently not right here.
Does it move every time? Is that what happens?
Maybe.
Oh fuck, it was here last time. It moves. It must... Oh, that's crazy.
There's 2 dropping in on the top of the hill by shelter.
Well, I was gonna show you guys the Raccoon Police Department, but it's down here, because apparently it moves every time. That's why it doesn't register on the map. So that's interesting. Anyways, there's a police department on the game, the one from the load screen.
Yep.
And it's huge, you can go inside, it's full of zombies right away, but there's, like, the loot is nuts.
Okay, that sucked. Does anyone have a gun yet? I don't have anything.
I got 2 M16s. You want one? Right there.
Thank you.
Need ammo for it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep, that's all I got.
Ooh.
I gave you half of what I had. Another M16
Let's run after
right
these
there, actually.
bad guys.
I can give you more ammo, Bush.
Ooh, there's someone in there. Colin.
Yeah, there's 2 in here. Just killed one.
You just killed Mom.
Mom?
Mom?
What the fuck was that here?
That was a liquor.
Why?
And obviously, I do all the fucking work, and you come in at the very last minute while I'm fucking healing up, and you take the kill.
I'm sorry,
As
what was
usual.
what
You
was
heard
that
me. You heard me. Cocksucker.
I heard some bitching, but I don't know what you actually said.
Come on.
Did you hear bitching?
Picture that.
Because I heard crying.
I do all the work.
I like how Mick sends us pictures of him doing like things and going out and having fun, and we're just like, why don't you just sit in your house and play games with us on your phone?
Yeah. I just got a UMP. I need to get 2 kills with it in any mode.
Your ringtone stresses me out.
Ernie.
Dad?
I'll send you guys a screenshot. I took a screenshot of the Raccoon Police Department just so you can see how cool it is. But it's annoying that well, it's actually kind of cool that it moves every time. You have to go find it.
Okay, I'm back and good.
Okay. Oh, shiznits.
Gunshots.
Oh, you're gonna die. You're gonna die, clown.
They're shooting. They're not shooting at us, so they don't know we're over here.
I
Yeah,
know.
they're going after zombies. About to catch these hands.
I killed him
Colin, did
dead.
you notice how you tried to steal my kill?
He was a knock.
I didn't
let
even.
you.
He was a knock, so he's probably got teammates over here. There might be the 2 that had come down from the That guy was coming down the hill from shelter.
I haven't even seen a zombie yet. Well, the liquor.
Oh, hey, cool guys. How's the loot in that crate that you're just stealing from me? Cack
Great.
sucking ass motherfuckers.
I didn't see any loot. Did you, Colin?
No, that was pretty empty.
Convenient.
I haven't like listened to that before. The echo of the shotgun is kind of cool.
I got one over here.
Isn't that dope?
Scary is what it is. Talking about kill stealing. Oh, I got credit for it. Never mind.
Oh, I haven't seen a zombie all game.
Oh, fuck you. What? Watch your feet.
Got one behind you.
You don't have shotgun rounds?
There's 12 right here. 15 right here, actually. Bushy, I'm standing on top of him. Right here.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Here, shotgun. Right here. Right where I'm standing. I am what you call in dire need of 5.56.
I've got some. There you go.
Thank you. Bushy, can I have that 5.56?
60 more rounds right here.
Here you go.
Thank you.
It's getting dark and scary.
Why did we jump here in the middle of fucking nowhere, Colin?
Because the raccoon police department was here last time.
Yo, get out of here, zombies that like, sprint at you.
There's a 2x over here. Couple of 2x's over here if you guys need them.
A real guy ran up on us.
Is it going? Did you kill him, Colin? Colin? Colin?
Papa, can you hear me?
Colin?
Yeah?
Did you kill the real guy that ran up on us?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
My bad.
2 X's.
There's 100 rounds of 7.62 and an AR suppressor right here.
What?
I got supplies.
I have a shit ton of 5.56.
I could use a lot of that.
Alright. Right
I can give you a shit ton
here.
of 7.62.
Dropping that. Dropping that. No, I'm using mostly 9mm.
Interesting.
I'm using the UMP.
Using an ump.
An oomp. I haven't used that fucking minigun yet. I actually might drop.
It's annoying.
Is
It
it?
takes a while to. I just picked it up. You want it?
No, if you're using it,
Take
you
it.
get
I really don't want it, so here.
Here, I'll
Dropping
take
it
it.
with this. There's a shit ton of ammo there for you. And Bushy, if you want more 7.62, it's over here somewhere. Fuck, I don't know what.
I have 781 rounds.
It works.
That's enough. Should
Yeah,
be.
I just dropped literally 500 rounds.
All right, where do we want to go? There's 2 bosses on the map right now. Oh, Bushy's
both far,
Bushy's
unfortunately.
not telling us where he wants to go, but he's running away. So I'm just gonna follow him, I guess. Oh. I hate you. I hate you. We're gonna go to this complex over here. I just marked it. No answer.
Colin's eating. I can hear him.
Yeah, it's to be expected with him.
Don't even deny it. Don't even deny it, Calibus.
Don't judge me.
You tried being all quiet and cute with it. You're like,
Yeah. Colin says he's not eating by saying, it's not me.
I'm on the Lexington Steel all semen diet.
High protein, and you get a workout to get your meal.
That's icky, but funny.
I'll suck your dick. Oh, Colin.
What?
I got supplies.
Ooh, coming.
Speaking of Lexington Steel. This mode definitely teaches you to hip fire headshots.
Right? My 10 rounds didn't drop him. Especially here.
where is this fucking thing that's spitting at me?
Yeah, it's driving me nuts.
There's a shit ton of 7.62 down here on the ground. Shit. I need to heal up apparently. This is about to go. Oh, shit. Help. Help.
Bushy, you got a liquor coming up.
Where?
Oh, that's me. I needed to heal desperately. Now I'm boosting.
I got supplies.
That was intense.
I got supplies.
Fuck the M24.
Yeah, in this game mode, it's kind of ridiculous to even think about picking up a sniper rifle.
Yeah, it's useless to you.
Who's this guy?
Yeah, that's what...
What are you thinking, buddy? Someone
guys
just
are
threw a
present
fucking...
What the fuck was that? Is it a zombie grenade? Because I've picked up like 4 of those.
Yeah, it's a zombie grenade. I threw it at you guys.
Oh, there's a truck coming to our complex, guys.
Just want to point out I got the kill.
Yeah, that truck blew up.
That guy made a tragic mistake. Just driving by this complex.
There's only 3 real people, or 4 real people left alive other than us.
Does anybody want an AR suppressor?
Got him.
Fuck was that noise?
A boss
Oh,
just landed over here.
Enemies ahead.
That was loud as fuck.
Yeah, he's really aggressive. I said we go fuck him up though.
Why?
No, it's fun.
I mean, he's
For
only
an AWM that we don't need? No. I'm good.
only 200 meters away from us.
Grab that ghillie suit.
I'm gonna go check that truck.
I just did. There was only 1 crate.
Oh, okay.
Unless, Bushy, did you get a kill when it blew up?
Nah.
Yeah, it was just that one guy that I shot out of the drive.
Colin, I think you're the only one running towards that boss.
Can you draw him over by shooting at him?
We gotta go
Trying.
that way
Okay.
anyways. Just be aware of wherever the other real team is, because it's probably just a 4-man squad. 3-man squad, because somebody just died to play zone.
Oh.
Suppressed.
AWM round.
Yep. That
Southeast.
Was suppressed by that hill. Oh, there's a truck coming this way. Truck just went southeast towards that.
He just jumped out of the truck and killed himself.
There's one real person left.
I know, I just killed the idiot with a suppressed M24.
Holy shit, this dude over here had a shit ton of loot. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? I'm standing on this crate trying to loot when you did that.
I know. I wasn't gonna blow it up with you right there.
I have over 1,000 rounds of 5.56 now.
This is taking so much ammo.
Does the game end when we kill the last living team, or is it gonna go time frame no matter what?
Kill the last guy.
So now we just have to find him, I guess.
Pretty much.
Or not.
Oh.
What?
Play zone. 105 zombies, 3 lickers.